5 seconds. Start. Counsel for the petitioner has submitted that as per the allegations in the FIR registered at the instance of Ram, it is stated that he was cultivating the fields with a tractor and was coming to his village when 3 4 boys on a motorcycle from village side came and asked him about the petrol pump, and when he was informing about the way to them, one boy who was wearing a blanket came close to him and asked if he has a quarrel with Baljit Sharma, petitioner, and threatened him to face the dire consequences, and thereafter took out a country made pistol and opened a fire towards his one of forehead. The victim bent himself in order to save him, but the bullet passed by touching the left side of his forehead, and he had a narrow escape. And thereafter they fled away from the spot on the motorcycle. Counsel for the petitioner has further submitted that in fact the petitioner has some property dispute and this FIR has been registered just to put pressure on the petitioner. It is further argued that in fact some settlement was arrived at between the petitioner and the complainant on 27/3/2021, according to which the petitioner was to execute the sale deed of some land in favor of the complainant, but later on the complainant backed out after taking rupees 32 lakhs in cash. It is also submitted that the petitioner was not present at the spot and thereafter he was nominating on the basis of the disclosure statement, and therefore he is entitled for concession of bail. Reply by way of affidavit of the investigating officer is on record, and as per the affidavit, after verifying the facts of the FIRs, it is stated that the initial investigation was conducted by ASI, and as per the victim Ram, injury number 1 was an aberration which was declared simple, and injury number 2 was kept under observation. Later on, the investigation was transferred to special staff Hisar for further investigation, and the aforesaid accused were taken on production warrants and joined the investigation in the present FIR. The accused 2 of 4, Mukesh, made a disclosure that he came in contact with Sajjan in Bikaner jail who asked him to murder a wine contractor and further asked him to contact the petitioner for committing murder of the complainant Ram. it is worth noticing